Hello everyone, myself Hans. Today we are going to solve the problem of UPSC 2009 for 12 marks. Here in the question, a line is drawn through a variable point of the ellipse and z is equal to 0 to meet the fixed line, y is equal to mx and z equal to c, and y is equal to minus of x and z is equal to minus of c. Hence find the locus of the line. Let's solve the problem. Given equation of ellipse is x square upon a square plus of y square upon b square is equal to 1. Let this equation 1, and the given line is, and the given line is, that is y is equal to mx and z is equal to c, and the second line is given by y is equal to minus of mx and z is equal to minus of c, and we can also write the given line in the form of, that is, y minus of mx is equal to 0 and z minus of c is equal to 0, and the second line is also written as y plus of mx is equal to 0 and z plus of c is equal to 0. Let this is equation 2, and further we have to write equation of line, any equation of line of intersection of equation 2 can be written as that is y minus of mx plus k1 z minus of c is equal to 0, and for the second, that is y plus of mx plus k2 into z plus of c is equal to 0, and from here we have, let this is equation third, and from here we have to find the value of k1, that is k1 and k2, that is from here k1 times of z minus of c is equal to y minus of mx taken into right hand side, that is minus of y minus of mx, and we can also write, that is on multiplication, minus of y and plus of mx, that is mx minus of y, and further, that is k1 is equal to mx minus of y upon z minus of c. This is the value of k1. Further we have to find the value of k2 from here, that is k2 into z plus of c, and y plus of mx is taken into right hand side, that is minus of y plus of mx, and from here we have to find the value of k2, that is k2 is equal to minus of y plus of mx upon z plus of c. This is the value of k1 and k2, and we have to the equation third meets at z is equal to 0. So we have to put in the equation third, in place of z we have to put 0, that is equation third becomes y minus of mx and plus of k1, and in place of z we have to put 0 and minus of c is equal to 0, and we can also write, that is y minus of mx and minus of k1 c is equal to 0. Further we have to put in this equation, that is y plus of mx plus of k2 into, in place of z we have to put 0, that is 0 plus c is equal to 0, and we can also write in the form of, that is y plus of mx plus k2c is equal to 0. Further we have to let this is equation 4th and this is equation 5th. From here using equation 4th and 5th, we have to find we have to find the value of x and y. First we have to adding equation 4 and 5th, that is y minus of mx minus of k1c is equal to 0, this is equation 4, and y plus of mx plus k2c is equal to 0, this is equation 5th. Adding, that is minus of mx and plus of mx is cancel out, then the remaining is 2y minus of k1c and plus of k2c is equal to 0. Further we have to write, that is 2y is equal to minus of k1c and plus of k2c is taken to right hand side, that is plus of k1c and minus of k2c. From here we have to take common c, that is k1 minus of k2, this is 2y, and y is equal to c upon 2 k1 minus of k2. Further we have to find the value of x, then subtracting equation fourth subtracting equation 4 to 5th, that is equation 4th is y minus of mx minus of k1c is equal to 0, and equation 5th is y plus of mx plus of k2c is equal to 0. We have to subtracting, then we have to change the sign, that is plus is minus, and plus is minus, here is plus is minus, then plus of y and minus of y is cancel out, and the remaining is minus of 2mx and minus of k1c and minus of k2c is equal to 0, and from here that is minus of 2mx is equal to minus of k1c and minus of k2c is taken to right hand side, that is plus of k1c and plus of k2c, and from here we have to take common c, that is k1 plus k2, and this is minus of 2mx, and we have to find the value of x here, that is x is equal to c upon minus of 2m into k1 plus k2. The value of x and y, this is the value of x and this is the value of y, satisfied the equation of ellipse. So we have to put the value of x and y in the given ellipse. So we have to put the value in the given ellipse, that is in place of x we have to put, one second, in place of x we have to put c by 2m, that is c square k1 plus k2 ka whole square upon, here is a square is already present, and c upon, here is c upon 2m, that is on squaring, that is 4m square plus of, in place of y we have to put c by 2, that is c square upon 4, and b square in the denominator is present, that is b square into k1 minus of k2 ka square is equal to 1. Further we have to take a LCM, that is taking LCM is 4a square b square and m square. From here that is 4a square m square is present, that is b square is not present, so we have to multiply with b square, that is c square into b square and k1 plus k2 ka whole square, and plus of, here 4b square is present, so we have to multiply with a square m square, that is c square a square into m square k1 minus of k2 ka square is equal to 1. Further we have to write, that is c square into b square k1 plus k2 का होल स्क्वायर प्लस ऑफ c स्क्वायर a स्क्वायर इंटू m स्क्वायर c स्क्वायर m स्क्वायर once again c by 2 and c by 2 is also present, that is c square a square m square is equal to 4a square b square into m square. Further we have to put the value of k1 and k2 in the given equation. We have to find the value of k1 and k2. Once again we have to find the value of k1 and k2. We have to earlier rough, so we have to write the first intersection of equation, that is y minus of mx plus k1 z minus of c is equal to 0 and y plus of mx plus k2 z plus of c is equal to 0, and we have to find the value of k1, that is k1 is equal to, taking y minus mx is to right hand side, that is minus of y minus mx upon z minus of c, and we can also write that is on multiplying minus of y and plus of mx, that is mx minus of y upon z minus of c. This is the value of k1, and we can also find the value of k2, that is k2 into z plus of c is equal to y plus mx is taken to right hand side, that is minus of y plus mx, and from here that is k2 is equal to minus of y plus mx upon z plus of c. So we have to put here the value of k1 and k2. Once again here is k1 minus of k2 का whole square is equal to 4a square b square into m square. Further we have to put the value of k1 and k2, that is c square b square into, in place of k1 we have to put mx minus of y upon z minus of c. In place of k2 here is minus of y plus of mx upon z plus of c का होल स्क्वायर प्लस c square a square into m square. In place of k1 we have to put the value of mx minus of y upon z minus of c, and in place of k2 we have to put minus, and here is minus is already put in, that is plus of y plus of mx upon z plus c का होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 4a square b square into m square. Further we have to solve in taking LCM in the bracket, that is c square into b square, and here we have to take LCM, that is once again we have to take LCM here, that is z minus of c and z plus of c. So we have to multiply with mx minus of y into z plus of c and minus of y plus of mx into z minus of c का होल स्क्वायर प्लस ऑफ c square into a square into m square, and we can take LCM also here, that is z minus of c and z plus of c. LCM z minus of c and z plus of c, that is mx minus of y into z plus of c and plus of y plus mx into z minus of c is equal to, this is whole square is equal to 4 times of a square b square into m square. Further we have to solve. That is this is c square into b square, and from here this is square, we have to multiplying with this is mx, this is z, that is mxz minus of yz, here is mxz minus of yz, and plus of mxc minus of cy, and from here we have to also multiply with taking this is curly bracket, and minus of plus of yz and plus of mxz, and multiplying with minus of c, that is minus of cy, and minus of mxc का होल स्क्वायर अपॉन z माइनस ऑफ c का स्क्वायर इंटू z प्लस c का स्क्वायर प्लस c स्क्वायर a स्क्वायर इंटू m स्क्वायर, and we can also multiply in this, that is mxz minus of yz, mxz and minus of yz, and plus of mxc and minus of cy, and from here we can also multiply, that is plus of yz and plus of mxz and minus of cy and minus of mxc का स्क्वायर का होल स्क्वायर अपॉन z माइनस c का स्क्वायर एंड z प्लस c का स्क्वायर इक्वल टू, here is 4 times of a square b square into m square. We have to, here is the denominator is same, so we have to add the numerator and multiply the denominator with this equal to 4a square into b square into m square, that is we can also write that is c square into b square, and from here that is mxz and minus of yz and plus of mxc and minus of cy, here is minus of yz and minus of mxz plus of cy and plus of mxc का स्क्वायर प्लस c square a square into m square, and from here that is plus of mxc and minus of mxc is cancel out, and plus of yz and minus of yz is cancel out, then the remaining is mxz and mxz, that is 2mxz and minus of cy and minus of cy, that is minus of 2cy का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 4a square b square into m square, and in the denominator we have multiplied, that is z minus of c का square into z plus of c का square, and we can also write, that is from here we can also my plus of mxz and minus of mxz is cancel out, and plus of cy and minus of cy is also cancel out, then the remaining is c square into b square and mxc and plus of mxc, that is 2mxc and minus of yz and minus of yz, that is minus of 2yz का square plus of c square into a square into m square and 2mxz minus of 2cy का whole square is equal to 4a square b square into m square, and we can also write, that is z square minus c square का whole square, z square minus c square का whole square we can write that is here 1 second z minus of c का whole square z plus of c का whole square on opening z square minus c square it is z square minus z plus of c and z minus of c and whole square is, so we have to also write in, we can also write that is 4a square b square m square into z minus of c and z plus of c का whole square. So we have to write here z square minus c square का whole square. Further from here we have to take common 2 from here and taking 2 common, that is on squaring, that is 4, that is 4 times of c square into b square, then the remaining is mx is written as cxm minus of yz का whole square and plus of, we can also take common 2 from here, that is 2 is taking common on squaring, that is 4c square a square into m square, and here is mxz minus of cy का whole square is equal to 4a square b square into m square into z square minus of c square का whole square. Further we have to take common 4 from left hand side, that is taking common 4, that is c square into b square and cxm minus of yz का whole square plus of, here is c square into a square into m square and mxz minus of cy का whole square is equal to, once again whole square is equal to 4a square b square into m square and z square minus of c square का whole square. From here, that is 4 to 4 is cancelled out, then the remaining is c square into b square and cxm minus of yz का whole square plus of c square a square into m square, this is m square and mxz minus of cy का whole square is equal to a square into b square into m square and z square minus of c square का whole square. This is the required locus of the given problem. Thank you class and thank you for watching.